Good evening, guys. My name is Palakdeep Kaur, and I'm a student of fitness and health promotion in the Georgian College. So, today I'm going to give a very brief presentation on the topic diet and health complications. So, as we all know, that sometimes our diet leads to many of our health complications and are some hormonal changes. So, here I'm describing some of the health related issues with the nutrition and the food we intake. So, like high cholesterol level, diabetes, cancer, obesity, heart diseases and strokes, arthritis, osteoporosis, tooth decays, etc. There, these kind of common health issues we very commonly seen in our today's generation. So let's touch some of them very briefly. So the first being the high cholesterol level. Like high blood cholesterol level raises the risk of our heart diseases and heart stroke. When we eat too much saturated fat or trans fat, it leads to unhealthy cholesterol level by stacking it in the cell walls. So some of their symptoms are like nausea, extreme fatigue, high blood pressure, shortness of breath, which we very commonly see like the warning signs of high cholesterol level. So we can reduce the cholesterol level by reducing the amount of saturated fat found in red meat and dairy products. So we can also increase soluble fibers in our diet to maintain that cholesterol level. So the next health complication related to our diet we are going to discuss would be the diabetes. So how this diabetes occurs in our body? Like our gland pancreas release the hormone insulin, and insulin helps our body to store and use sugar. But if our pancreas doesn't produce much insulin, it leads to the type 2 diabetes. Additionally, obesity and inactive lifestyle also become the reason of diabetes. So, frequent urination, increased hunger, slow healing wounds, or like our injuries, and frequent infections are some of the symptoms of diabetes. So, currently, there are 8.8% Canadians who have diabetes. So, it's really a very such big amount in our Canada. So, people are suffering very commonly with diabetes. So the cancer is also very a common health complication seen today. It is estimated that 2 out of 5 Canadians suffer from different kind of cancers. Like when we consume foods which are highly rich in sugar and refined carbs and different kind of meats and increase the risk of cancer. However, overcooked and fried food also contribute in it. So fatigue, fever, unusual bleeding, and frequent cough or regular cough also become the warning sign of cancer. So we have to take it into account. So the obesity, which is very common related diet complications seen in our today's generation. So when we consume too much food and sugar products and intake high level of energy and very less or rarely move our body, this leads to obesity. People gain weight when they consume too much calories and don't do any kind of physical activities or workout to burn their calories. So infection in skin fold, fatigue, excessive sweating, and joint pains are some of the symptoms of our obesity. So here I'm attaching some of the peer-reviewed articles related to diet and health complications. Thank you so much.